Chapter 2. Salt. Lesson 5. A History of Salt. From the Stone Age to modern times. Nowadays, we can find salt in most kitchens. But in the past, salt was a rare and valuable mineral. Back in the 6th century, it was even worth as much as gold. During the Stone Age, people ate a lot of red meat. Because red meat is naturally rich in salt, people didn't need to find salt elsewhere. However, as farming became popular and people ate more wheat and rice, they had less salt in their diets. So people had to search for other ways to get salt. Around 6000 BC, the Chinese began collecting salt from lakes to flavor their food. This is the oldest recorded history of salt production. But there were other methods of collecting salt too. People in Central Asia mined rock salt underground around 4500 BC. Around 3000 BC, the Egyptians began to collect salt from evaporated seawater. By 800 BC, the Chinese were producing salt by boiling seawater. It took less time than waiting for the seawater to evaporate. Because these methods took a long time, salt was very valuable. In fact, it was even used as money. In China, people paid taxes with salt. In Rome, soldiers were paid part of their wages in salt. Salt is now very cheap to buy, but it remains an important part of the human diet, and it is something we can't live without.